Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract wealth and success effortlessly? What if I told you the secret isn't just about hard work or market trends, but something much deeper, something within you? Today, we're exploring the powerful connection between faith, inner reflection, and creating a life of abundance. This isn't about any specific religion, but about the universal power of belief in yourself and a greater purpose. Let's start by looking inwards. Our minds are like gardens. If we constantly plant seeds of doubt, fear, and scarcity thoughts like I'm not good enough, or there's never enough money, I'll harvest weeds of frustration and lack. Faith is the act of consciously choosing to plant seeds of abundance, confidence, and possibility instead. It's believing in your potential even before you see the results. Think about it. Every great invention, every successful business started with a single idea, a belief. The Wright brothers had faith they could fly when everyone else thought it was impossible. Their inner conviction, their unwavering belief, was the fuel that powered their journey to success. This is the first step, cultivating a mindset of unwavering faith in your own abilities and your vision for the future. This concept is beautifully explained in books like The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. He argues that there's a thinking stuff from which all things are made, and we can shape it with our thoughts. By holding a clear, unwavering mental image of what we want and acting with faith and purpose, we can bring that vision into reality. It's about aligning your thoughts and feelings with the outcome you desire. Start by visualizing your goals not as distant dreams, but as current realities. Feel the joy and gratitude as if you've already achieved them. Hey everyone, just a quick pause. If you're finding this content helpful and want to explore more ways to unlock your potential and create a life you love, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. We have so much more to share with you, and your support means the world. Let's continue this journey together. Now, let's talk about gratitude. Gratitude is the supercharger for faith. When you focus on what you already have, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. This isn't just about being thankful for the big things. It's about appreciating the small things too. The air you breathe, the food you eat, the opportunities that come your way. As Dr. Joe Dispenza often teaches, when you combine a clear intention with an elevated emotion like gratitude, you begin to signal new possibilities to the universe. Your brain and body literally start to change, rewiring themselves for success. So, how do we put this into practice? Start a daily routine. Spend just 5 minutes each morning in quiet reflection. First, visualize your ideal life. See yourself living in abundance, achieving your goals, and feeling joyful. Next, practice gratitude. Make a mental or written list of everything you're thankful for. Finally, affirm your faith. Say things like, I am capable of creating immense wealth, or attract opportunities and abundance into my life. Remember, this is not a magic trick. It's a practice of mental and spiritual discipline. It's about looking inwards to change your outer world. True wealth isn't just about money in the bank. It's about a rich life filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. By harnessing the power of faith and looking inward, you're not just chasing wealth. You're becoming the person who naturally creates it. The journey to wealth creation begins in your mind. Cultivate your faith, practice gratitude, and take inspired action. You have the power to design your destiny. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, and subscribe for more content to help you live your most abundant life. See you in the next video.